Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fast video, this is just going to be an update on our cantaloupe seeds. So today is May the 15th, and on May the 11th, I started the germination process. So in video number 1 of this series, you can go back to that one and you'll see me doing the germination process. So I'm just going to lift this off. So this here is 4 days later. And the paper is still nice and wet. I have not added anything to there. And I'm going to open that up. And I did look at this yesterday, and the germination process had already begun, but I didn't get around to doing the video until today. So here we are. Even at day 2, some of these were already started to germinate. And here we go. You can see all of the cantaloupe seeds. And from looking here very quickly, I have a 100% success rate, so pretty good. So at this point, these are ready to be planted. You can put them right into the ground if you're in an area of the country where you have warm weather already. In my area, we still are about 3 weeks away from planting season, so these are going to go into little jiffy pods. But for now, I'm just going to cover this up and cover that back up again. So that's it for this fast video update. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And by the way, if you like to bake or cook, I have a recipe channel on YouTube, Bake Like a Pro, youtube.com/bakelikeapro. Lots of recipes there. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.